In this video, I will be discussing my experience with the hair transplant center in Dallas. I had been considering hair restoration for a while, and after doing a lot of research, I decided to go with them. I will walk you through the entire process, starting with the consultation. Their staff was friendly and professional, which gave me a good first impression. They took the time to explain the procedure and answered all my questions. The consultation was thorough, and I felt comfortable with the plan they outlined for me. They made sure I understood all the potential outcomes and gave me realistic expectations. The surgery itself was not as painful as I had anticipated, and the recovery was smooth. I was instructed on proper aftercare, which was essential to ensure the best results. Now, let's talk about the results. I've been following up with the Hair Transplant Center since the procedure, and I have noticed significant improvement. The hair growth is consistent, and I'm seeing the results I hoped for. The center continues to monitor my progress, which I appreciate. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. If you're considering a hair transplant in Dallas, I would recommend the Hair Transplant Center based on my experience. They provided excellent care throughout the entire process. Of course, everyone's experience will vary, but for me, the results have been great. Remember, do your research and choose a center that makes you feel confident and comfortable. I hope this review helps you in making your decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and experiences.